Hey guys, let's continue talking about quotation marks, specifically with direct quotations. Remember, a direct quote is made up of two parts: the source words, meaning where the quotation is coming from, and the speaker's exact words. Put quotation marks at the beginning and at the end of the speaker's exact words. So here are our source words. The mayor said, and here are his exact words. We can solve this problem if we work together. Notice that the quotation marks come before and after his exact words. And punctuation comes before the end of the quotation marks. All you are doing in these activities is to underline the source words and then put quotation marks around the speaker's exact words. So let's go ahead and annotate those directions. We're being asked to underline the source words. That's step 1. Then put quotation marks around the speaker's exact words. That's step 2. Why are we doing that? All right, there's a 2. Okay, Lewis, your bike tire is flat again, said Marco. Okay, so who is speaking in this sentence? Marco is. You're right. So, what's Marco saying? Well, he's saying, Lewis, your bike tire is flat again. I'm going to go ahead and add my quotation marks right here. Before and after the speaker's words, his actual words. Okay. Grandma grumbled, that movie was awful. Who's speaking in this sentence? If you said grandma, you're absolutely right. She's grumbling. What's she actually saying? What are the words she's speaking? That movie was awful. So we put our quotation marks around the words that she is actually speaking. Okay, continue down 3 through 10.